This is Toyota Auto Manufacturing. We're presenting slides for you guys, for the team today, for you to see what we've done. Next slides, please. All right, the agenda for this presentation will be starting from the general review to project charter, to the proposed vendor, executive phase, all through the question and answer. These are just the agenda that the team went through. Next slide, please. All right, the team that worked on this project, we have the project manager and team lead in Remy and Loretta, and the stakeholders and the vendors of contact. These are guys that actually worked on this team, great team, and I hope we can all keep together and keep working. Next slide, please. All right, there's a project timeline. It took us, we actually started the initiation phase for this project on the 12th of July, and the final presentation, which is today. So approximately this project took us about 6 weeks from initiation to final presentation. Thank you. Next slide, please. All right, this is a general overview. This is about Toyota. So our company deals with manufacturing of automobiles. Over the years, we've established ourselves as the leader in the auto industry. We have over 75 years with Toyota vehicles, including Lexus. So for those who don't know that Toyota own Lexus, so put it in mind, we own Lexus and we've been dealing with luxury cars. Our partnership, Toyota continues to concentrate on enhancing its services system to prioritize customers with every car sales. So we are committed to quality, innovation, and sustainability. We have a vast network of suppliers and partners and prioritize efficiency, safety, regulatory compliance in all our operations. Next slide, please. It's important for you to know that Toyota has presence all around the world, from Asia to Africa to North America to Europe. You will see Toyota. And I'm very sure someone in your family or a friend has a Toyota brand. Just to tell you that we everywhere in the world, our presence is felt. Next slide, please. All right, in Toyota, we have our Toyota corporate responsibilities, which is under 4 cardinal points, from sustainable raw materials, how we source our raw materials in our vehicles, to workforce well-being. We want our workers to actually be involved and happy with whatever they do. We also deal with carbon neutrality and circular value chain. These are the 4 cardinal points in our social responsibility strategy, which we actually perform through guidance, compliance, and capacity building. Next slide, please. At this point, I want to call on Loretta to tell us more about the project charter. Loretta, over to you.
All right, thank you so much, Gabby, for the beautiful presentation. I know we don't have much time, but we'll do the best we can with these presentations. So right now, I want us to, first of all, I want to explain a little bit about this TPRM program that we have been assigned to work on. Toyota provided this program for us, and just for information purpose, I want to explain what third-party risk management lifecycle is about. So third-party risk management lifecycle is a continuous process that includes identifying potential risks from external partners, assessing their impact, implementing mitigation strategies, monitoring ongoing risk, and reviewing practices to ensure that all of these align with our organization's standards and objective. In today's interconnected world, most business environments rely heavily on third-party vendors. Partnering with vendors is important, but it comes with significant risk, as we all know. This is why implementing a robust TPRM program and process is crucial to mitigating all of these risks that the vendors bring to the company. TPRM process will ensure compliance and protect the organization's reputation. Now, on this particular slide, you can see the life cycle of the TPRM management, third-party risk management life cycle. So the first one is the onboarding stage, and then we also have the ongoing stage and the offboarding stage. Already, I've mentioned one of the benefits for TPRM, why Toyota wants to use it, is to help with ensuring compliance and making sure that all of these vendors that we bring on board, they are in compliance with the laws and regulations. And also, another advantage of this is that it will reduce cost. One important advantage is the standardization of all of our processes with our vendors. And it also helps us with effective monitoring. And also, I want to mention here at this point that this our vendors, most definitely, we have metrics in place to use to be able to understand if they're doing well or not. So some of these metrics that we have put in place in our TPRM checklist is third-party scorecard, risk assessment questionnaires, customer satisfaction rate, and we're also using a Ramba dashboard. And for the most part, I want you to see from the screen that we also set out this checklist that we use to make sure that this program is done successfully. Please understand that onboarding, under the onboarding phase, all of our vendors have to go through the risk assessment process.